It looks healthy, it looks fresh, but inside this tomato, a silent intruder is hiding. In a world where industrial growth often collides with our food supply, a silent crisis is brewing beneath the soil. As factories expand, heavy metals are leaching into the earth, and our crops are soaking them right up. Think about it. The very vegetables on our dinner plates could be acting like sponges for toxins. We're potentially inviting life-threatening risks like cancer into our bodies. So, how do we fix a problem we can't see? How do we clean the earth without destroying it? The answer isn't a machine. It's a biological superpower.
Photoremediation is using the power of biology to heal the earth. We aren't just planting trees, we are deploying a green army of cleaners that work 24/7 to make our soil safe and for farming again. There are three main processes in photoremediation. Step 1 is photo extraction. Think of it like a sponge sucking up all the toxic from the water. Photodegradation, a process where the plants actually digest them. Using their natural enzymes, they break down dangerous chemicals into harmless pieces which quite literally erase the poison. Finally, we have rhizofiltration, where the roots act as a filter trapping pollutants from the water before it reaches the river used for agriculture.
Actually, that is a very important question. Maintaining soil health through plants instead of depending too much on chemicals play a major role in the long-term productivity of a farm. And we know that chemical fertilizer can provide fast results and help plants grow quickly. However, excessive use of chemical fertilizer over time can negatively affect the physical and chemical properties of the soil, reducing beneficial microorganisms living in it. As a result, soil becomes less fertile, less able to retain water and nutrients effectively. In contrast, using plants and organic methods helps maintaining a healthier and balanced soil ecosystem naturally. So besides improving soil fertility, plant can also help clean contaminated soil through a process we call phytoremediation. And this phytoremediation actually involves the use of plant to absorb, reduce and remove pollutant from soil naturally, and certain plants actually are able to absorb harmful substances and even heavy metal from the contaminated soil. And this actually helps to improve soil quality in a safer and more environmentally friendly way. So when soil is healthy, it can retain more water, recycle more nutrients efficiently, and support stronger and healthier plant growth. Healthier soil also reduce erosions and improve the overall sustainability of farming. Thank you.
So how does phytoremediation actually combat contaminated soil while keeping the cost efficiency? Let's compare the two. First, traditional cleanup is called a dig and dump or ex situ excavation. It requires massive excavators to strip away the soil and trucks to haul it away. It is financially draining. Phytoremediation completely changes the math. A farmer's primary investment is simply the seeds. Nature does the heavy lifting for free. Next is environmental impact. Excavation leaves a massive carbon footprint from heavy machinery and leaves land completely sterile. Phytoremediation is a solar-powered solution. The plants act as a living blanket, feeding beneficial microbes while absorbing carbon dioxide from atmosphere through photosynthesis. While mechanical stripping ruins water retention and causes the soil to dry out, our green army does the opposite. Their deep roots networks actually trap and hold the moisture, restoring the soil's life support system. Finally, where traditional methods end in a landfill full of toxic waste, phytoremediation opens the door to a circular economy. The harvested plants can actually be processed for clean bioenergy.